Guys, first of all, look at this. Look at this. Such videos are going very viral, and making it is quite easy. Come on, I'll quickly teach you how to make it. Before that, do make sure to like and subscribe to the video.
First, guys, open the ChatGPT app. Next, tap the two-line menu at the top. Then tap Apps. After that, select GPTs. In the search bar, search for Make an ASMR. Choose that GPT and tap Start Chat. You'll now see an interface where you can type the name of any object such as apple, banana, or watermelon, along with the color you want. For this example, I'll type watermelon and green. Within a few seconds, it will generate a prompt for you. Copy the prompt, then open Gemini and paste it there. In just a few seconds, Gemini will generate your image. Save the image to your device, then open the YouTube Create app. If you don't have it yet, you can easily download it from the Google Play Store. Tap Generate Video, then tap the plus icon and select the watermelon image you just saved. At the top, type Create Video, then tap Generate. Within a few seconds, your AI video will be ready. To download it, tap on the generated video, then tap Export at the bottom. After a few seconds, the video will be exported and automatically saved to your phone's gallery.